I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the watch reliable. Wear it snug and clean the sensor so heart rate reads correctly. Once done, open the workout app and select strength training or create a custom strength workout with your preferred name. Make sure wrist detection and heart rate are enabled in settings, and set a rest timer or interval on the watch now so you don't fumble between sets. Begin the workout immediately. This gives continuous heart rate and calorie tracking as you perform your first set. You'll manage the core of the workout by marking sets clearly. Tap lap or pause to register the end of a set, and use haptic timers so you keep rest periods consistent without watching the screen. For automatic rep counting, install a reputable third-party app. Otherwise, log reps manually into the workout notes or the iPhone fitness app after each exercise. Keep an eye on heart rate zones to control intensity. If your HR spikes too high, slow tempo or rest longer. If too low, increase load or reduce rest. When you finish, stop the workout and review the summary immediately. Calories, average heart rate, active minutes, and exercise minutes tell you how effective the session was. Once the watch syncs to your iPhone, open Fitness to edit workout details, add missed sets or correct weights, and log notes for progression. If something goes wrong, like wildly inaccurate heart rate or missing data, reseat the watch, clean the sensor, restart the watch, and retry a short test set. That single troubleshooting step fixes most common tracking issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.